All right, guys, welcome back to today's video. So on today's video, guys, we are going to talking about how to actually get some crypto right here on Binance without having to make any single input. Okay, so the strategy is very simple, and a lot of people knows this already, but the problem right here is that some people don't know how they can be able to find what is needed for you to actually get the crypto. But on this video, I'll be giving you guys a detailed guide on how you can be able to go around it. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end, and I'll be giving you some of the codes that I've been able to get so far, and also I'll be teaching you how you can be able to get the code yourself right here on this video without wasting any single time. So right now, for the codes that I've got, just make sure you do the same thing that I'm going to be doing right here on this video, so that you can be able to get the same result, and also listen as I'll be showing you how I do it. Okay, so right now, to get started, you need a Binance account. I'll be making a tutorial video about Bybit. That is how you can be able to go around it on Bybit, but that is going to be on another video for another day. Okay, so right now, let's get started right now on how you can be able to do this on your Binance app. Okay, so right now, to get started, you need a Binance. Like I already said, you go right here, you're going to be seeing more right here. You click right here on more, and once you click on more, you have to scroll down until you see red packet. Okay, so let me give you the codes that I've got so far. Over here on red packet, you go ahead and click on receive. So immediately you click on receive, then you make sure you input the codes that I'm going to be inputting right now. And right now, let me input the codes that I'm going to be redeeming for our crypto. Okay, you can do the same thing right there on your own, but before I will go ahead and input this code, I need you to have something on your head, which is to say that you need to take note that these codes that I'm going to be inputting right here will expire after 24 hours, meaning that if you're seeing this video after 24 hours, it means that you have already missed out on this opportunity. Also, you need to do this as fast as you can, because a certain number of people will do this and it will be exhausted. So you need to make sure that you are keyed into this channel, because we drop this update regularly on this channel. So right now, let's get started with the code. So the first code is let me now put it right now real quick. Okay, and right now I've inserted the code 5V9J8484. So right now I will go ahead and click on claim. Let me see what I'm gonna have it right now, and let me see what's inside. And boom, guys, you can see I just got about 0.5 USDT. Simply input the same code on your own device to get the same result. Okay, so right now I will go ahead and input the second code. I will go ahead and input the code real quick. Okay, now the second code is 3X4J1VXXS. So right now I will click on claim right now. Okay, invalid code. Seems like I made a mistake somewhere. I think this should be I, not 1. It seems like I didn't get it clear. So I will click on claim right now. Okay, and we are in. I will click on open right now, and boom, guys, you can see I just got 651 peppercoin right now. All right, it's way too easy. I will go ahead and input the next code right now real quick. Okay, and right now this third code is YG0M01S7. I will go ahead and click on claim. Let me see. Okay, we are okay. And right now I will click on open right now, and boom, I just got about 10 not coin right now. You can see way easy it is. I'll be showing you how you can do this on your own, how you can be able to find these codes by yourself right here on this video. All right, so right now I will click on next. So I will then go ahead and input the fourth code. I have about 5 or 6 code right here. I will input the fourth one right now real quick. All right, and right here the fifth code right now is AJN5QEEG. Okay, so right now I will click on claim. Let me see what I'm gonna have right now, and boom. Okay, I'll have to open it, and boom, guys, I just got 350 bonk right now. Okay, so right now I will go ahead to input the fifth one right now. I will input it real quick. All right, and right now I just insert it right now, AVPQFUED. Okay, so right now I will click on claim, and I have to open it real quick. And okay, guys, I just got 770 BTTC right now. Okay, I believe you are understanding what I'm doing right now. Okay, so right now I will go ahead and input the last code that I have right here with me, which is okay, let me input it real quick as well. Okay, right now with the last code is CJ3161XW. I will go ahead and click on claim. Okay, invalid. Okay, it seems like I made another mistake right here. This should be I and I as well. Okay, my bad. Okay, right now I'll click on claim. Let me see what I'm gonna have. Okay, invalid code again. Why did I do this mistake? Okay, All right, okay, I just corrected it right now. I just find out that this is T instead of J. Okay, T like this. Let's try it again. Oh my god, what's wrong, guys? Let me find out where the problem is real quick, please. Okay, I think this is 1. Okay, please bear with me. This should be 1 and this should be 1 as well. Okay, now let's try it again. And okay, we are in right now. I have to open it real quick, and boom, guys, I just got 120 Shiba Inu. Do you see how easy it is? It is way too easy and simple. And right now the question is, how can you be able to get this code all by yourself? All right, I'll be revealing it to you right now if you are watching me from YouTube. But if you are watching me from TikTok, then you have to wait, as I'll be uploading a different video on TikTok to show you guys how you can be able to get the same codes by yourself. All right, so right now let's go and ahead and of course talk about how you can be able to get this code all by yourself if you are watching me from YouTube. So to get this code, you need to go to your YouTube. It is very simple. Okay, there are a lot of people on YouTube that actually create this code for a living. Okay, so right now, to be able to do this, you go to the search bar right here on your YouTube channel. You go ahead and then search for Binance. Okay, Binance red packet. Okay, just search for Binance red packet code today. When you search for it this way, then it is going to bring out a lot of options. But the question is, how are you going to be able to find the correct one that has not been used up already? Okay, so right now let me show you guys how it is. So to be able to do this, what you need to do is simply, once you have searched for Binance red packets, then you go ahead and click right here, guys, on these 3 dots. You can see these 3 dots right here. Okay, you click on it, then you click on search filter. So remember, this code is only going to be lasting for 24 hours, and also a certain number of people will claim the code before it actually gets exhausted. So right now, how can you be able to do it? To be able to do this, you need to come to the filter where I am right now. You need to search it by relevance. You can also go ahead and change it to upload date. Okay, over here, guys, on upload date right now, you go ahead to the type. You click on this drill down, then you click on videos. So you are searching for only videos. So right now, the most important part is upload time. So this upload time, you click on this drill down right now, you click on last. Okay, you can go ahead to search for today alone. That is only if you are ready for the code that are going to be dropped today. Or you can go ahead and search for last hour, which is last 1 hour. So for the sake of this video tutorial, I will go ahead and search for today, so that we'll be seeing the videos about Binance red packets that have been uploaded today. You know, if the video was uploaded today, it means that there are higher tendency that the code is still valid, and also it has not been up to 24 hours yet. So once you are done doing this, then you go ahead and click on apply, and you can see it is being applied right now. And you can see that the codes that you'll be seeing are the codes that are actually posted today. You can see this guy right now posted it 9 minutes ago. You scroll down again, 26 minutes ago. So once you go ahead and watch these videos, you are going to see that these guys right here actually dropped theirs newly, and the codes are still valid. You can then go ahead to use the code to actually get yourself Binance red packet. So you can see how easy it is. This is just a simple trick about it, and this is how you go around it to actually earn on Binance without any hassle or any stress. Okay, it is very, very simple like this, and I believe you have actually got a value out of this video. So let me know what you think about Binance red packet, and also please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please, it actually means the whole world to me. Go ahead and look below the video you're watching right now to click on the subscription button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It literally means the whole world to me. So thank you so much for tuning in today, and I believe you have got a value. Let me know what you think about this on the comment section, and do not forget that we do give out gas fee to our video viewers. If you're watching a video right now, make sure that your comment is right there below the video, so that you stand a chance of being selected to get ton coin from us. All right, so thank you, and I will speak to you guys as soon as more of my video are ready to be uploaded. Thank you, and of course, do have a lovely day.